Today we got a video from Cops and Karens, and the title of the video is entitled "Brat Gets a Huge Reality Check."
Joliet police officers were dispatched to a gas station after receiving a report of a disturbance inside the store.
Did you guys see what happened at all? Because I know you guys were all together.
I wasn't trying to intervene. All I'm saying is,
I don't even know.
all I know is that
Whose dog is it?
we don't know.
We don't know because
We were walking that dog earlier, but we don't know. We really
you don't know. No, because me.
All I know is she's crazy.
As soon as they got here, I saw her walking with a dog, and then I saw him screaming with a dog, so we don't know.
So who hit? Did you see anybody hit each other?
It's him.
The dog is mad.
I don't know. It's what?
His.
It's his? Okay.
But
Can I get your name? No.
I'm not testifying.
No. Okay, so you're telling me it's his dog?
I'm not testifying. What?
I saw him walking with a dog, and his son's big guy here. I saw her, hey, you like my new dog? And I said, he said nothing. He's tweaking on.
This is about my dog. Hey, this is about my dog.
Watch out.
Watch out for
My
what?
dog. That's it. You guys are adding more for me. I want to know if I can go so I can get the phone about my dog. I know, sweetie. You told me, but all this extra shit going on now. You guys are worrying about extra shit instead of my fucking dog. I want to know about my dog so I can get the fuck on and see you in court, pussy. Monday morning. Oh wait, it's already Monday.
She's still trying to get on some.
Oh, put that big note. You got. I got
this.
I got.
Hey, just stay here, okay? Just don't even. It's not even worth it. It's not worth it. All right, just relax. All right, it's not worth it. Huh? Okay, well, it looks like he's probably going to.
Hurt him. I wanted to hurt him. Jealous. There ain't nobody messing with him.
What's wrong with that man?
You get the fuck about fucking fool. Fuck him, dude. He's the fuck.
Sorry, officer. I didn't mean no harm.
You're good. I just don't want to see a fight. That's it. So I appreciate
Gotta
it.
keep that motherfucking nigga in check, bro.
Hey, we're trying to separate
I
everybody.
ain't trying to start no shit. I don't know what the fuck his problem was, but
I don't know.
Alright, guys. Where's your friend at? You guys have to go. They don't want you at the gas station, okay? So you guys gotta go. I don't care. Go.
I don't care.
Okay, so go. No, you're not gonna get the bathroom, so I need you to head out now. Or you're gonna be trespassed. And you're gonna go to jail. So come on. Come on. Go.
I'm gonna wait for
You can wait outside. Come on.
the bathroom.
You can wait outside or you're gonna go in jail. This is my last warning. Go. Go or you're gonna go to jail.
Man, I'm telling you, I say it all the time, man. Them lady officers, they not playing with these females, man. Listen, if you a lady suspect and you get a lady cop, she not playing with you, man. She gonna get you together. So you better act accordingly.
Come on. You wanna go to jail?
I have to go pee.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so go.
I wasn't messing with anything.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so
I
go.
wasn't part of anything.
You're gonna need to go.
I wasn't
Okay,
a part
where's your
of
ID?
anything.
What's your name? What is your name?
I wasn't a part of.
I don't care.
I
They
don't
don't want
care.
you here. So what is your name?
Who doesn't want us?
What is your name? The guest staff member, the manager, does not want you here. So go.
I don't think. I think he wants me here.
He doesn't want you here. Do you need to go in handcuffs to realize that he don't want you here? Okay, you're gonna go in handcuffs, so turn around.
Hey! Hey!
Turn around.
Wait,
You're gonna go.
No.
You're gonna go in handcuffs.
No, lay off of me!
Mm.
You're gonna
Lay off of me! I will! Wait,
Stop.
lay off of me!
Babe!
No, I will stop it!
Stop.
My phone! I will! Lay off it! I will!
Put your hand on your back now.
Oh, the guy got there. Okay. Don't scream now. Get you together.
11. One caution, trespass and resistance. Get out. Now. Leave who you're coming with.
No! Please don't take me to jail. Stand up. I swear.
Stand up.
No. You hurt me. Stop hurting me.
See, and if you paid attention, the boyfriend done got out of Dodge. I don't see him nowhere near to be found no more. See, so she ride or dying for a boyfriend. I'm waiting for my boyfriend, this, that, the third. When the roles reverse, pew, that boy gone. He walking to the sidewalk with his friends. He over there in the right corner.
I have to pee. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm innocent. Why you?
I got double lock.
You just a dickhead. I didn't do anything. My back. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I swear. I'm innocent.
No, not yet.
I didn't do anything, I swear to God.
All you had to do was leave.
I'm innocent, I swear. I'm just there. I am just there, I swear. I'm sorry. I don't have anything, I swear. I don't have anything. I'm in dickhead because...
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have anything. Get away.
Stop! Not gonna tell you guys stop.
My back, I'm sorry.
Then quit moving.
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Stop moving.
I don't like you to this is my first time.
Well, then maybe you should listen. Should have just left.
You should have done anything.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. I'm not gonna tell you guys.
You know, come on. Can't you fucking listen? I haven't done anything. Any fucking thing. Do it, bitch. Come on. Come on. I haven't even fucking done anything. Come on, bitches. I haven't fucking done anything. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent here. I'm only one that's innocent. I haven't I am not He's doing bitches. Honestly, like what the fuck, man? Fuck you. I am not bad. You know what? I have to fucking pee, bro. I have to pee. I have to pee. I have to pee. I've never been under arrest before. Do you see what I'm saying?
Well, first time for everything.
Shut the fuck up.
You told me you were going to get arrested, too.
Huh?
You told me earlier you were planning to get arrested.
First of all, I had to go pee. Hey, cop! Hey, bitch ass, the one that's fucking being Pinocchio without a fucking pussy.
And this is why you're in jail.
You know, fuck you, honestly.
Okay.
You're fucking like...
You're fucking like a dick without a. You know what? I am trying to be. I'm trying to be nice. You can just let me go right now.
As a result of the incident, she was charged with criminal trespass, 3 counts of resisting or obstructing a peace officer.
That's good. She deserves it. You deserve it. Oh, oh, oh. You deserve it. I forgot what song that is, but it's something like You Deserve It. But yeah, man, yeah, you see how the roles reverse, right? She was like, I gotta use the bathroom. She said, you gotta leave or you're gonna be trespassed or whatever. Well, I'm waiting for my boyfriend. I ain't going, Okay. She started wrestling with the cops. I ain't see him. He came out the bathroom. He said a couple of words. I ain't see him the rest of the video. That boy was gone. Pew! Out of there. Started walking towards the sidewalk. See, so you ride or die for him, but that boy smartened up. He said, hold on now. I'm not trying to spend the night in jail. I'm saying, I'm good. Gotta be smart, you know? But she's under the influence of something too. You could tell in her eyes. Like, knock, knock, nobody's there. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get officers, man, 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And honestly, I don't even know what this video was about. Like, about the initial incident with the dog. Like, I don't even know what this whole thing was really about. Whatever. But I'm gonna catch you in the next video.